welcome to my channel. I am Balaji Chandrasekharan. Today I will be discussing the new features introduced in JDK 22. Oracle announced the general availability of JDK 22 from 19 March 2024. JDK 22 delivers 12 enhancements that are significant enough to warrant their own JDK Enhancement Proposals, that is JEPs. The release includes 7 preview features and 1 incubator feature. What is an incubator and preview feature? In Java, incubator and preview features are mechanisms introduced to allow developers to experiment with and provide feedback on the new features that are not yet finalized or fully supported. The incubator modules are experimental modules introduced in Java to provide a way to deliver the new features, APIs, or tools that are not yet ready for standardization or production use. These modules are marked with the incubating keyword and are intended for developers to try out and provide feedback. Incubator modules allow Java developers to experiment with the new features early in the development cycle and provide input to the Java community. The preview features are language and VM features that are fully specified, implemented, and tested, but not yet finalized or fully supported for use in production. These features are introduced in Java releases to gather the feedback from the community and to allow the developers to experiment with them before they are officially standardized. The preview features are enabled using the enable preview flag at compile time and runtime. They are typically proposed as part of a Java specification request, that is JSR, and undergo a preview period during which the developers can provide their feedback. Now I will briefly discuss the features introduced in JDK 22. As part of the language improvements, the JPE 456 unnamed variables and patterns feature is introduced to improve the readability when a variable declaration or a nested pattern is required but not used. It is achieved by the inclusion of the underscore character. There are three language preview features added in JDK 22 to allow the developers to experiment with them before they are officially standardized. The statements before Super JEP 447 is a preview feature and it states that in constructors it allows for statements that do not reference the instance being created to appear before an explicit constructor invocation. String templates JEP 459 is a second preview feature and is added to enhance the Java programming language with string templates. The string templates complement Java's existing string literals and text blocks by coupling literal text with embedded expressions and template processors to produce specialized results. Implicitly declared classes and instance main methods JEP 463 is a second preview feature and is introduced to evolve the Java programming language so that the students can write their first programs without needing to understand the language features designed for large programs. As part of the library's improvement, there is a new feature included in this release. The foreign function and memory API, that is JEP 454, allows the Java programmers to interpolate with code and data outside of the Java runtime. By efficiently invoking the foreign functions, that is the code outside the JVM, and by safely accessing the foreign memory, that is the memory not managed by the JVM, the API enables Java programmers to call native libraries and process native data without the brittleness and danger of JNI. There are four preview features and one incubator feature added under libraries in JDK 22 to allow the developers to experiment with them before they are officially standardized. The class file API, that is JEP 457, is a first preview feature that provides a standard API for parsing, generating, and transforming Java class files. The Stream Gatherers feature, that is JEP 461, is the first preview feature that enhances the Stream API to support custom intermediate operations. This will allow Stream pipelines to transform data in ways that are not easily achievable with the existing built-in intermediate operations. The structured concurrency, that is JEP 462, it is a second preview feature which simplifies concurrent programming. The structured concurrency treats group of related tasks running in different threads as a single unit of work, thereby streamlining error handling and cancellation, improving reliability and enhanced observability. The scoped values JEP 464 is a second preview feature that enables efficient sharing of immutable data within and across threads. The Vector API JEP 460 is the seventh incubator feature to express vector computations that reliably compile at runtime to optimal vector instructions on supported CPU architectures, thus achieving performance superior to equivalent scalar computations. As part of the performance improvements, the regional pinning for G1 JEP 423 reduces the latency by implementing regional pinning in G1 so that the garbage collection need not be disabled during the Java native interface JNI critical regions. As part of the tooling improvements, launch multi-file source code programs JEP 458 allows users to run a program supplied as multiple files of Java source code without first having to compile it. We will discuss the Java 22 features in detail in the next sessions. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.